How to be fluent in English? Most of the English learners ask this question again and again. In today's video, I'm gonna explain to you the techniques, the methods. If you work on it, you will become fluent in English. So let's begin. Before jumping into the topic, first of all, let me clarify the term fluency. Fluency means to speak without breaks and long pauses. It doesn't mean to speak faster English. For example, you might have seen native speakers when they talk. In some cases, they speak slow English, while in some cases, they speak faster English. Similarly, if I give the example of water, you might have seen that in some cases, water flows faster, while in some cases, water flows slow. So we can say that if someone speaks faster English, that is fluency, while if someone speaks slower English, that is not fluency. In both cases, that is fluency, but if someone doesn't take long pauses and breaks, that is fluency. Now come to the techniques that how to become fluent in English. The first one is listening. Listen to English speakers, whether they are native speakers or non-native speakers. But whenever they talk in English, they speak in English, listen to them, and after that, practice on that. For example, listen to English politicians when they deliver speeches, watch English series, documentaries, and the special one, TEDx Talk. Whenever you find difficulty in that, turn on subtitle. Listen to that with subtitle. Understand that, and after that, practice on that in your day-to-day life. I'm fully convinced that with this technique, you will be fluent in English. The second one, talking to your friends, your family members, your teachers, and your classmates in English. If you don't have that much vocabulary, but if you have basic vocabulary, start from that. For example, if you are in the class and you need pen from your friends, so you can say, "Give me your pen, please." After that, you can also say, "Give me your register or your notebook, please." You can also ask the question from your teachers in English, and if the teacher asks you, respond him or her in English. Similarly, when you need something in your house, you may ask your father, your mother, or your sister in English. You can say, "Give me a glass of water," or you can say, "Pass me the mobile phone or the charger." So from the basic vocabulary, you can start, and I'm fully convinced with the passage of time, you will become master in English. The third one is monologues and talking to yourself in front of a mirror. For example, stand in front of a mirror, ask questions from yourself and respond yourself as well. In this case, you are asking questions from yourself and you are responding yourself as well. So you are mastering two techniques, asking question and then responding. If you practice on that, I'm fully convinced that you will improve your two skills, asking questions and after that responding. Most of the non-native speakers use this technique to become master in English. Last but not the least, that is reading. Reading is very much important for fluency. Whenever you read something, after that, use that in your speaking. For example, I read a book and I find an idiom that is an apple of my eyes. So, first of all, I understood that, and after that, I use that in my speaking. For example, I say, "Boy, you are an apple of my eyes." "Oh, guy, you are an apple of my eyes." So, you can improve your fluency through these techniques or these tips.